Running a venue isn't just about knowing how many guests booked. It's about giving them the best experience and service to keep them coming back. The attendance report helps you understand real guest turnout so you can make better decisions about staffing, capacity, and how the venue runs on the day. In this video, you'll learn where to find the attendance report, how to understand the key data, and how to use attendance trends to guide operational decisions. All reports in Roller live inside Venue Manager. From Venue Manager, go to Reports, All Reports, then select Attendance. The attendance report is based on ticket redemptions at POS, making it a useful resource for understanding actual guest attendance. It relies on front-of-house staff correctly redeeming tickets as guests arrive. Start by setting your date range. This controls which attendance records appear and lets you review a single day or compare patterns over time. At the top of the report, you'll see two key metrics. Total redemptions show every time a ticket was checked in at POS. Unique redemptions count each ticket once, even if it's checked in multiple times. This difference is important for products like standard passes that allow re-entry. For memberships, attendance is only counted when the entry ticket is checked in, not when a membership discount is applied. If total and unique redemptions are close, most guests checked in once. Attendance was predictable, and guest flow was likely smooth. If total redemptions are much higher than unique redemptions, guests are re-entering frequently. This can increase pressure at entry points and shared spaces, and may require more staff coverage. You can use filters to narrow the report by product, the device the guest was checked in on, or the company the booking was made under. This helps you see whether guests are showing up as expected and whether tickets are being checked in correctly. Patterns can highlight issues with check-in processes, staff workflows, or specific bookings that may need follow-up. You've just learned how to review real guest attendance using the attendance report, including how to interpret total and unique redemptions and spot patterns by session or product. You're ready to use attendance data to plan staffing, manage capacity, and run smoother days with confidence.